Men over 60, your pillow might be the reason you lose hardness at night. Last month, David, 72, came to see me. "Doc, I get an erection at the start, but halfway through it fades. My wife thinks I'm not attracted anymore." I asked, "How many pillows do you use when you sleep?" He looked confused. 2, sometimes 3? Why? Here's what most men don't know. The angle of your head during sleep directly affects blood flow to your penis. Wrong pillow angle, restricted vessels. Right angle, unrestricted flow. Tonight, I'll show you the exact pillow position that opens blood flow, why it works when pills don't, and how one patient got his firmness back in 3 nights. I'm Dr. Laura Miller, board-certified urologist. Hit like and subscribe. Let's fix this tonight. What pillows do to your blood flow? When you sleep with your head elevated too high, your neck bends forward. This compresses the carotid arteries and jugular veins in your neck. These vessels don't just supply your brain. They maintain blood pressure and distribution throughout your body, including to your penis. When these vessels are compressed for 7 to 8 hours every night, your body adapts by reducing vascular tone. Your blood vessels become less responsive, less elastic, less capable of rapid expansion for erections. Most men sleep with 2 or 3 pillows. Feels comfortable, feels normal. But over years, this elevated position slowly destroys vascular function. Men over 60 are most vulnerable. Your vessels are already less elastic due to age. Add chronic compression from poor pillow angle, and erectile function declines fast. But this damage is reversible. Changes can start tonight. The science of pillow angle and erections. When your head is at the correct angle, neutral spine alignment, your carotid arteries and jugular veins are unrestricted. Blood flows freely throughout your entire body. This unrestricted flow does 3 things for your erections. First, maintains optimal blood pressure. Your cardiovascular system doesn't work harder to compensate for compression. More available pressure for penile blood flow during arousal. Second, improves vascular responsiveness. When vessels aren't chronically compressed, they maintain elasticity. They expand and contract quickly, critical for getting and maintaining erections. Third, activates better oxygenation. More oxygen reaches your penile tissue. Better oxygenated tissue responds faster to arousal signals. The result? Firmer erections that last longer. Not because of drugs, because of proper blood flow mechanics. The exact pillow position that works. Here's what you need to do tonight. This is incredibly simple, but most men get it wrong. Remove all your pillows except one. Just one thin pillow. If you don't have a thin pillow, fold a regular pillow in half, or use a folded towel. The goal is this. Your head should be elevated only 2 to 3 inches off the mattress. Your neck should be in neutral alignment with your spine, not bent forward, not bent backward. Lie on your back. Place the thin pillow under your head. Your chin should not be tucked toward your chest. Your head should feel like a natural extension of your spine. To test correct position, you should be able to draw an imaginary straight line from your ears, through your shoulders, down to your hips. No kinks, no bends. If you're a side sleeper, same rule applies. One thin pillow. Your head should align neutrally with your spine, not tilt up or down. If you sleep on your stomach, here's the truth. Stomach sleeping is the worst position for blood flow. Try to train yourself to sleep on your back or side. But if you must sleep on your stomach, use no pillow at all. The first night will feel strange. Your body is used to elevation. You might feel like something is missing. That's normal. Push through it. By night 2 or 3, your body adapts. You'll notice you wake up feeling more rested. And here's what matters most. You'll notice morning erections getting stronger. Why this works when Viagra doesn't. Viagra blocks PDE5 enzyme, allows more blood flow for 4 to 6 hours, then stops working, does nothing for long-term vascular health. The pillow angle technique removes chronic compression that's been damaging your blood flow for years. Over 3 to 7 days, your vascular system recovers. Vessels regain responsiveness. Blood pressure normalizes. Entire circulatory system functions better. Within 2 to 3 nights, morning erections become noticeably firmer. Within 1 to 2 weeks, erections during sex become more reliable. You maintain firmness longer. Within 1 to 2 months of consistent proper pillow position, overall erectile function improves dramatically. David was deeply skeptical. "Doc, you're telling me a pillow is why I can't stay hard?" I told him, "Try it for 1 week. If no difference after 7 nights, go back to your old pillows." 7 days later, he called me. Didn't wait for his follow-up. "Doc, my wife noticed. 3 nights in, I woke up with the hardest morning erection I've had in 5 years." 2 weeks later, sex with his wife was better than his 50s. He was 72. This isn't magic. It's removing the mechanical restriction that's been sabotaging your blood flow every night. 3 things that amplify the effect. First, avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol dilates vessels temporarily, but causes constriction rebound during sleep. Second, sleep on your back if possible. Back sleeping with correct pillow angle gives optimal blood flow. Side sleeping is second best. Third, add morning movement. When you wake up, spend 30 seconds doing gentle neck rotations while lying down. Activates blood flow after sleep. It's never too late. 70, 75, 80? I've worked with men in late 70s who believed their erections were gone. After 1 to 2 weeks of correct pillow position, morning erections returned. Firmness during sex improved. One patient, 76. "I thought my body was broken. Turns out I was just sleeping wrong for 30 years." Your vascular system can recover. Your vessels can regain elasticity. It needs the right conditions. Wrong pillow angle compresses blood flow. Correct angle restores it. Start tonight. Remove extra pillows. Use 1 thin pillow. Head elevated 2 to 3 inches. Sleep on your back or side. Avoid alcohol before bed. Gentle neck rotations in the morning. Within 3 to 7 days, watch morning erections strengthen. Within 2 weeks, watch sex improve. Hit like, subscribe, comment. How many pillows do you use now? I'm Dr. Laura Miller. Your firmness isn't gone, it's just compressed. Fix your pillow tonight. Take care of yourself.